Hi, this is Shahul from Pantech Pro Labs. Today we are going to see demo on booth multiplier implementation on Spartan 6 FPGA project kit. In this demo, we have constructed Radix 4 booth multiplier algorithm in the Spartan 6 FPGA board. Normally, booth multiplier can be used to perform two numbers of signed multipliers and multiplicands. Booth multiplier can be used to perform two both multiplier can be used to perform signed multiplication operation. Here we already pre-programmed that booth multiplier algorithm into our Spartan 6 FPGA board with 8 switches for A input and 8 switches for B input. So output can be realized using that 16 LEDs present on Spartan 6 FPGA kit. First, I am going to turn on the LSB of A input and LSB of B input. You can see that LSB LED is glowing, which means that multiplication of 1 into 1, which is 1. Similarly, 1 into 1 1, it is 1 1. So similarly, up to 7 number of bits, it will be of 1. When you turn on 8th bit, that is nothing but signed multiplication bit. When you turn on this bit, then these A input, 8 LED A input will be realized as -1. I am turning it on, so you can see that all those LEDs are glowing on the board, which means 1 into -1 equal to -1, which is this 16 number of 1 is nothing but -1. You can see that output on the PC to verify its operation. I performed multiplication of -1 into 1, which is showing us that is 16 bit number of ones. You can check it on online. Similarly, if you are making it as something like I change it to 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. So I change it to A to 1 0 0 1. Now you can see that output is 9. That is 9 into 1, that is 9. You can realize the same thing on hardware. Changing the switch value, that is displaying as 9. When I change that value to 9 into 9, that is 9 into 9, we should have something like 81. So we can verify it on board with that is 1010001, that is nothing but 81. When I make that B input as something like 10001001, then it will be of some other value, that is nothing but 9 into -119, which is nothing but -1071, which is what realized on our FPGA hardware. So this is the simple implementation of Radix 4 booth multiplier algorithm using Spartan 6 FPGA board. Thank you.